I haven't flown since October of 2021, and got the new UMX Turbo Timber Evolution, and I got old Poodle Nose. So I'm going to take old Poodle Nose up for a flight on a 2S TP 325 Babel Bat. Hope I remember how to fly. A little bit of turbulent air up there. See, it's getting bounced around a bit. I don't think I'm going to do... Of course, as soon as I start flying, what happens? The wind comes up. Well, I'll show you the vertical on a Babel Bat. It's got just, you know, barely unlimited vertical. And I'm going to drop the flaps and bring it in because it's turbulent over here. Doesn't seem like it should be, but it is. So it's deceiving on the ground. Maiden flight. UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. Control check. Okay. No flaps. Oh, quarter throttle takeoff. Things. I'm flying it a quarter throttle or less. That beep, that's my quarter throttle timer. Putting a little bit of down trim into the elevator. Okay, let's go up. Oh my, ha ha ha. Power off, just gliding. Let's drop some. Fly is nice. So far all I gave it is some up elevator trim. It is flying a little teeny bit nose heavy. You can tell that. Let's try some flaps. It's about half flaps. There's full flaps. And my throttle timer isn't even, my 25% throttle timer isn't even kicking in. I'm flying it at 10 to 15% throttle. Let's see here. Bring it in for a full flap landing. Do it a little bit more down elevator trim. Pull the flaps up. Less than a quarter throttle takeoff. collapse. Weird little bits of turbulence in the trees. I am gonna have to manually adjust the elevator trim a bit. Full throttle, and boy, does this thing go. That's wide open. Yes, some turbulence, all right. Oops. Well, I'm going to have to reset my throttle timer for this little guy, because I got my throttle timer set up at a quarter, 25% throttle. That's what the beep is all the time. And I'm sitting here flying around at about 15%. So half the time when I'm flying, timer isn't even counting. And for some reason, this thing's got a lot of up elevator in it. And I'm not sure what's going on. My elevator is not working. That was awful lucky. Well, that's not a good maiden flight. It's a good thing it waited and decided to quit after I got on the ground. Yep, no elevator. Let's go to the old, yep, it's working according to the flight monitor. Oh, let's try reinitializing this thing and see if that matters. Wow. Okay. Elevator is messed up. Oh, very much messed up. Ailerons, rudder fine. Elevator not going hardly anywhere. It's stuck in the down position. And now it's not doing anything. Well, it looks like I got a bum elevator servo on mine out of the box at out of the 20-some plus UMX planes with the microlinear servos. This is the first time I've ever had this happen with all of the ones I've owned. So I find this quite unusual for me. Well, I got really lucky that it happened to die right when I landed. Well, I guess that's all for the Maiden. Got to see what I'm going to do, see if some DeoxIT will take care of it or not.